Ever wondered how machines read handwritten numbers without a second thought? Today, we'll journey inside the digital mind and watch as a neural network dissects scribbles into certainty. Join us for a step-by-step, visually immersive walkthrough revealing exactly how artificial intelligence interprets the world, one digit at a time. Artificial intelligence boils down to learning patterns. When presented with a series of handwritten numbers, a neural network acts like a savvy detective, sorting through curves and lines with relentless precision. Let's watch as our digital assistant guides each number through the first step, digitizing the image for analysis. Each pixel in the image carries information. Some pixels are dark, others light. The neural network translates this picture into numbers, creating a map it can understand. Here, the digital assistant demonstrates how this grid of grayscale values becomes the neural network's input, setting the foundation for remarkable pattern detection. Now the real magic begins. The digitized grid flows into the neural network's first hidden layer, a network of virtual neurons, all analyzing small parts of the image simultaneously. Our assistant guides us through a cascade of activations, where each neuron's output will help the algorithm piece together the full picture. These neurons act like a carefully organized team, scanning for features, angles, loops, and intersections typical of handwritten numbers. Each neuron reports what it finds, sending signals to deeper layers. The assistant offers a visual breakdown of this teamwork, turning complex computations into easy-to-grasp steps. Step by step, each hidden layer refines what the previous one learned. The assistant walks us through these layers, showing how the system builds understanding, moving from simple shapes to more complete numbers. This systematic learning is the backbone of how AI achieves striking accuracy in recognizing handwritten digits. Finally, the neural network's output layer decides the most likely answer. It weighs everything seen so far and picks the number that best matches the input. Our assistant reveals the outcome, showing a clear, confident prediction and highlighting just how swiftly AI can turn scribbles into solid conclusions. But how does the network improve over time? Training is key. Our digital assistant demonstrates how the neural network learns from thousands of examples, gradually reducing errors. The more feedback it receives, the better it becomes at making the right decisions, closing the gap between human intuition and machine logic. Neural networks are everywhere, rapidly analyzing data in the background. From filtering spam to digitizing bank checks with uncanny speed, our assistant highlights real-world moments where this technology quietly enhances daily life. Behind the science, these systems are making invisible decisions, reshaping the way we interact with information every day. Understanding neural networks unlocks a new perspective on the tech shaping our world. We watched a simple handwritten number become a success story of AI, one layer, one step, and one insight at a time. Subscribe for more visually engaging journeys into artificial intelligence and empower yourself with tomorrow's knowledge today.